In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIF in Frame. We'll walk through the exact clicks you'll see on screen in Framer, and I'll explain what each one is doing so you know why, not just where, to click. Start by opening your Framer project. Once you're on the canvas, click the highlighted area to focus the frame where you want the GIF to live. Next, open the Insert menu. If you don't see it, click Insert again to bring up the full panel. Use the search field that appears and start typing to quickly filter what you need. When the option you're looking for appears in the results, click the highlighted result to select it. Continue by following the highlighted prompts to place the element onto your canvas. You'll see a few on-screen highlights guiding you. Just click each one to confirm placement and bring up the right sidebar with its properties. Now switch your attention to the right sidebar. Click Interactions to confirm any default behavior is okay, then open Controls for quick toggles. Move to Position to anchor the layer where you want it inside the frame, and set Size to get the exact width and height you need. If you want subtle polish, open Effects and Overlays to manage shadows or blending. Cursor lets you decide how the pointer behaves when hovering the GIF, while Styles gives you visual tweaks like corners and borders. Transforms is where you can rotate or scale with precision. Next, select the GIF option from the available media or layer controls. If a small prompt appears, review it and choose the highlighted option shown on screen. You may see options like Yes or No. Follow the highlighted choice as demonstrated to confirm your selection and continue. After confirming, click the next highlighted control to return to the canvas. If your design includes a scrolling layout, click into the scroll section that's highlighted so your GIF behaves correctly within that section. Confirm the scroll section again if prompted. For advanced behavior, open Code Overrides from the right sidebar. You don't need to write code here for a simple GIF, but opening it ensures those connections are available if your project uses them. Finally, when everything looks good in the preview, click Publish. This pushes your changes live so your animated GIF appears inside the frame exactly as you designed it. Quick tips as you finish up. Keep your GIF file lightweight for performance. Match the aspect ratio so it doesn't stretch. And use the preview to confirm it plays smoothly across breakpoints. And that's it. You've added a